Your first time in the snow. Come on. It's a winter wonderland. Oh, this wind is very strong. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. It's snowing. It's a winter storm here in North Texas, and currently walking the dogs. I think Menace is having a hard time finding a spot to potentially poop. Today I'm staying home. I'm working from home and just staying in today. The roads are pretty icy. I think it's like 20 degrees right now. Ooh, my hands are cold. I just wanted to show you guys the snow. It's so pretty. He's like, what is this? Okay, so I have my work laptop open and ready to go. My journal to jot down some notes. I have a meeting today at 11 o'clock with HR. But other than that, it should be a very slow day. I'm just munching on some strawberry yogurt pretzels. These are so good. They're from Costco. Oh, we did our nails last night. These are like the stick-ons, but I did a poor job at it, so they're kind of like peeling already. They're very cute, but first time doing it, so not the greatest. She's gonna go down and check out the snow for the first time. You know, living in Cali, they never experienced snow. So. No, ma'am. Here we go. It's like a winter wonderland. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh. It's so cool. Right? It's your so first pretty. Time. You got snow in your hair. I like the sound that it makes when you walk in the snow.
Oh, that's satisfying.
It's so fun seeing your reaction.
It's so nice. It's so pretty.
Did a little impromptu photo shoot with Lucine. Hey! Ooh. Look, okay, take some photos of these trees. That's alright. Winter wonderland. Beginning to look like Christmas.
I wish my bangs were good though.
We're playing Christmas music on Spotify because it just feels like Christmas. Anyway, hey Newman. And then there's Menace over here. I am making lunch. Buckwheat cooking right here. And I'm gonna throw this lemon pepper with rosemary chicken breast in the oven. It's really hot, Menace, so don't get too close. Okay, I'm gonna cook that for 20 minutes. There you go. I also made a simple tomato cucumber salad with some olive oil and salt and pepper. So that will be for lunch. Let me see that. Very so photogenic. So photogenic.
Funny. He just makes
so
me
photogenic.
all the time. He's like a baby.
Yeah. Well, my work meeting didn't last long. It was literally 7 minutes. I thought it was going to be longer. That's fine with me. I put this up. I didn't show you guys. Isn't this cute? There's the whole family. Lunch is ready. Lunch is ready. me and Alexander are gonna go to Target because I wanted to get some things just to get out of the house, honestly, out of the apartment. There's a guy across the street. He has like a four-wheeler go-kart looking thing, and he was just like doing a bunch of donuts. I'm not sure if he's still out here. Oh, he's gone. Heating up the car before we head out. But yeah, so I did my makeup because I had a meeting with the HR today. But like I said earlier, it was literally only 7 minutes. Winter storm! This is a lot for Texas. And everybody is like posting photos of the snow and stuff online. Ooh! I have my hair tied back. I know I look like a boy. But yeah, work today is really slow. I just had that meeting and gotta respond back to a couple of emails. Other than that, that's it. It should warm up a little bit tomorrow, so I don't know if I need to go to the office or not. If it's like this still, then I'm gonna request to stay home. 'Cause there's no point. He's using chopsticks to get rid of this. It's so pretty.
Oh, look at the trees falling.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, it's really heavy too. Yeah, I just love snow, you guys. I'm happy it snowed again.
Yeah, me too.
We had a winter storm last year, and now we have a mini one this year.
Yeah.
All right, we made it to Target safe and sound. Ah, that heat. Ah, the heater. It's super quiet. I like it. I'll go to Ulta. Ulta? Here's a little Ulta section in Target. Hopefully they have what I need. See that it's cosmetics, beauty blender, Smashbox. They have Tarte. Okay. Okay. Alexander wrote "Love you" in the snow on my car. This looks funny. Cute. Alright, we're back from Target. Let's get our stuff in. Oh, I forgot to show you guys what I got at Target. I didn't really get much. Stop licking me. Stop it. I got Neutrogena makeup wipes, the pack of 2. I like their new packaging. It says new and better than ever. So I haven't used these in a long time because I've been using the Juno & Co. cleansing balm that I leave in the shower, and I just love using that, but it's a little pricey and not a lot of product, so I'm kind of like going back and forth with using the Juno and the Neutrogena. That's that. And then I got the Mighty patch, and I heard a lot of good things about these, and a lot of the YouTubers that I watch rave about them, so I'm excited to try. And I got this skin tint by Pixie. It's the Pixie by Petra, the H2O skin tint. It's their tinted face gel, and it's water-based, perfect for all skin types, all this stuff. Yeah, I was just reading a lot of online reviews, and it has really, really good reviews, so I'm excited to try it. I'm about to be out of my foundation, and I just want to find something that's perfect for my skin. I have really oily skin, and I just want something that's really natural and light, doesn't look too cakey, so that's why I've been trying a few tinted moisturizers, and hopefully this one works. I'll let you guys know. And everything else was just like grocery stuff, nothing exciting. But yeah, that's what I got from Target. We are attempting to play Monopoly, the Game of Thrones edition. This is his first time taking it out of the box, right? And playing it after all these years. One of his good friends gifted this to him. Look at this.
There's the rules in the back.
I'm not a big fan of Game of Thrones. I watched the first 2 seasons and I didn't like it. Here, little egg, a little crow.
What is this? Different cards?
Is this a wolf? There's a wolf. I forgot how to play Monopoly, so it's gonna be a while to figure this out. Then I'm finally burning this little candle that I got from my Atlanta trip. It's candlefish. It smells so good. It's a little tiny one. Still trying to figure out this game.
Trade with players and collect rent. However, at the start of your turn,
Listen, it has a video
you may
on.
pay $50 to be released from
Let's do
jail.
this.
If you do this, pay, then roll the dice and continue your turn as normal.
Anyway, guess who won Monopoly deal? Me!
not
Alexander.
Monopoly deal.
Oh, Monopoly. I won Monopoly. Alexander got bankrupt first.
Yeah.
He got so mad.
Yeah, I did.
That was fun. I want to play round 2, but you don't want to play.
Stupid.
Because I have a feeling I'm going to stay home from work tomorrow. Like 90%. Okay, we'll play tomorrow. It's 10:37. I need to go brush my teeth and put this video together. It was a really fun day.
At least I won Monopoly deal.
Okay, you won Monopoly deal, but I won the legit Monopoly. Don't forget. Oh, here's boy number 1. And then there's boy number 2.
Oh,
Hi, baby. Okay, don't get too excited. Okay, get. Oh my god, you were so comfortable.
no, I don't need it.
Well, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, this day. What is it? This snow day. Chilling, lounging, enjoying the snow, and hanging out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.